Walter Lippmann's Public Opinion delves into the complexities of how individuals form their perceptions and opinions within the realm of a society flooded with information. Published in 1922, Lippmann's insights remain surprisingly relevant today, shedding light on the challenges that persist in the contemporary information age. Dear valued supporter, we appreciate your ongoing support for our channel. For those seeking additional ways to contribute, we offer subscriptions on Patreon and Boosty, providing exclusive perks as a token of gratitude. Join our community and let's enhance this journey together. If you prefer an alternative, PayPal donations are also warmly welcomed. Your generosity helps maintain and improve our content. Whether through Patreon, Boosty, or PayPal, your support is crucial in sustaining our channel. Thank you for considering these options. Links will be indicated in the description of the video. The nature of public opinion. Lippmann emphasizes the challenges individuals face in grasping the vast and intricate nature of the world. He contends that direct familiarity with the actual environment is unattainable due to its enormity, complexity, and transience. Consequently, people resort to simplified mental images or stereotypes to make sense of their surroundings. This recognition serves as a foundation for comprehending the influence of media on public opinion. The media, acting as an intermediary, further shapes individuals' perceptions by providing filtered and condensed information. Lippmann's insights shed light on the role of these mental shortcuts in constructing collective viewpoints. In essence, the public's understanding is inherently limited, prompting a reliance on convenient cognitive shortcuts and illustrating the pivotal role media plays in molding public opinion through its selective portrayal of reality. Media as the interpreter. Lippmann stresses the media's pivotal role in molding public opinion, highlighting its dual purpose. According to him, news serves to announce events, while truth functions to reveal hidden facts and establish their connections. This dual responsibility underscores the media's crucial role in fostering a well-informed public. It goes beyond merely reporting events. The media must delve into the concealed aspects, ensuring that the audience gains a comprehensive understanding. Lippmann's perspective implies that the media acts as an interpreter, not only signaling occurrences but also unraveling the obscured truths behind them. This nuanced approach emphasizes the delicate balance necessary for a populace to be adequately informed, as the media plays a critical role in both disseminating information and revealing the deeper realities that contribute to a more comprehensive public awareness. The pseudo-environment. Lippmann's key concept, the pseudo-environment, suggests that people shape their opinions not from direct experiences but from a crafted version of reality. According to him, the process involves defining first and then seeing, highlighting the impact of preconceived ideas and societal constructs on public perception. In essence, individuals often interpret the world around them through a lens of pre-existing beliefs rather than objective observation. Lippmann's idea delves into how our understanding is influenced by the mental frameworks we construct, emphasizing that our perceptions are often filtered through the lens of our pre-established definitions. This concept prompts reflection on the sources of our opinions and how they are intricately connected to the frameworks we adopt, urging a more critical examination of the influences that shape our pseudo-environments and, consequently, our collective viewpoints. The role of stereotypes. Lippmann delves into the role of stereotypes in influencing public opinion, highlighting how people frequently rely on these mental shortcuts in response to the intricate nature of the actual world. He points out that stereotypes offer order, simplicity, and a lack of contradiction, making them convenient cognitive tools. However, their efficiency comes at a cost, potentially distorting one's comprehension of reality. Lippmann's insight encourages a closer examination of how reliance on stereotypes might hinder a nuanced understanding of the world. While these mental shortcuts provide a streamlined way to process information, they also risk oversimplification and oversights. This underscores the importance of adopting a discerning approach to information, recognizing the potential limitations and biases inherent in relying on stereotypes to navigate the complexities of the real world and forming a more accurate and balanced public opinion. Manufacturing consent. Lippmann's concept of manufacturing consent underscores the influential role of elites in shaping public opinion by strategically controlling information. His statement, "News and truth are not the same thing," emphasizes a critical distinction between reported information and genuine facts. This concept continues to be relevant in ongoing discussions about media ownership, particularly in how it influences the variety of perspectives available to the public. In today's context, concerns persist about the potential impact of concentrated media control on the diversity and authenticity of information disseminated. Lippmann's insight encourages a closer examination of the sources of news and the motivations behind its presentation, urging a more discerning public. It prompts individuals to consider how powerful entities might influence narratives, emphasizing the ongoing need for a media landscape that fosters diverse viewpoints to ensure a more informed and well-rounded public discourse. The public's limited role. Lippmann expresses skepticism regarding the public's capacity for full participation in the democratic process, pointing to the hurdles of achieving an informed and engaged citizenry. His argument, the public must be put in its place so that it may exercise its own powers, but no less and perhaps even more, so that each of us can live free of the trampling and the roar of a bewildered herd, invites contemplation on the intricate balance between citizen involvement and expert guidance in a functional democracy. Lippmann's perspective prompts questions about how to strike the right equilibrium, acknowledging the importance of empowering the public while recognizing potential challenges in navigating complex issues. This stance implies a nuanced approach to democratic governance, where efforts are directed not only towards enhancing citizen participation but also ensuring a space for individual freedoms, unencumbered by the potential chaos that might arise from an uninformed or overwhelmed public. The need for experts. Lippmann advocates for the involvement of experts in decision-making, emphasizing the importance of informed and rational governance. He contends, the public must be interested in the expert, but it can never be interested in the process of expertness. This stance reflects a nuanced perspective on the role of expertise in guiding societal decisions, acknowledging the limitations of relying solely on public opinion. Challenges of democracy. Lippmann explores the inherent challenges democracy faces in his discussion of the bewildered herd. He suggests that the complexities of the modern world require a more nuanced approach to governance than direct public participation might allow. His concern for the limitations of public understanding echoes in contemporary debates about the efficiency and effectiveness of democratic processes. The impact of propaganda. Lippmann delves into the influence of propaganda on public opinion, cautioning against its manipulative potential. He notes, the public must be put in its place so that it may exercise its own powers, but no less and perhaps even more, so that each of us can live free of the trampling and the roar of a bewildered herd. This warning against the dangers of unchecked manipulation remains a relevant consideration in discussions surrounding misinformation and propaganda in the digital age. The challenge of public education. Lippmann acknowledges the role of education in addressing the challenges of public opinion. He suggests, for in its degree, the common man can still be enlightened to the point where his intelligence, fortified by science and the humanities, may hold its own against the manipulation of his will. This emphasis on education as a tool for empowerment reflects a belief in the potential of an enlightened citizenry to navigate the complexities of the modern world. In Public Opinion, Walter Lippmann provides a thought-provoking analysis of the intricate dynamics that shape public perceptions. His exploration of the pseudo-environment, the role of media, and the challenges of democracy offers valuable insights into the complexities that persist in our contemporary information landscape. While written nearly a century ago, Lippmann's ideas continue to resonate, prompting reflection on the ongoing evolution of public opinion and the vital role of media and education in shaping a well-informed citizenry.